GOETANIA CHIRIBU MBACHIE MBACHIE GOKIGWA EBIROGO KERA OMWAKA ayankorengana n'umuraibuense ya Kenya William Ruto kagukwana ase gikaro kia riganiwa ase nyumba y'uburaibuense aigaso mucho Nairobi. Ruto nigo abona atebe gitambo kirekyo nigo kigochia koine kia chisemingo tingiwa chira se chinsemo chonsi na nemono yogochia koine kia buna ense ose yogochia gutukubeka ensemo igatichi billion emo goika ibere elio goikirania umuroberio hoyo hegekare kigekiane kiokero Abaorokia kuro chinsemo ao na bigochi skuru ao baikirana asenseme ya state ozumuri kitoline tinyambane na roboti rwa senjere wikirana Abaorokia ni gobarine kibako gokera maiga y'umuraibuense William Ruto koraria bene goche komenta chibese echichira chigokonya omoroberi bugukinia abirogo Abaorokia abo gukwana ase gikaro ekiabarigania Abaorokia ase nyumba y'uburaibuense umuraibuense ni gatebire gitambukirekyo nigo kigoche kwenekia sector y'echisemingo kinere nario ense erabasagaya.
Transforming education was not a political issue. Transforming education was deliberate because through education, whether you look at Korea, whether you look at Singapore, whether you look at Malaysia, intellectuals, the capacity for people to understand things, education was at the center of their own transformation. And that is why I took matters education seriously, because I knew that it is going to be part of the levers that we are going to use if we were to move Kenya to the first world.
Igikaro gikiranwa no mokonyi b'umuraibuense Professor Kithure Kindiki no muwaziri w'echisemi Julius Ogamba naboigo abaraibande nigo batumya chinga kiechyo gotogia abarimu ase merememi abagokora.
Those adults who have been to school do not remember the teaching methods that they were taught with and the techniques, but they remember the teachers who helped them become what they are today.
The importance of teachers in this country cannot be gainsaid. Each one of us has been shaped by these teachers. In my official duties that you graciously gave me, Your Excellency, I have interacted with these teachers, and I can state without any fear of contradiction that they are the most patriotic in this country.
Abaraiba Abaorokia abo na barabo nigo bagokera umuraibuense aso korwa bosemi obuya nabo igo ase bamoroka koba omworokia omonene.
As teachers, when we went to college, one thing stood by us. No one taught like this man. And I must say here and now, without mincing an outer of word, Your Excellency, you're a perfect teacher.
Arenayo nigo muraibuense airari bagerio na kumwakere koko omokonyoye ase egasiengi yagokora.
Huyu naibu wangu mnamuonaje? Ni noma si noma? Ni fire si fire? Unajua ukitaka kufaulu, ukitaka kufaulu, unatafuta deputy amesoma kuliko wewe.
Ngoripoteria Ensoko TV kurwa ase omucho Nairobi erietariane Linet Nyambane.